Just a real quick little intro before this week's video. Yesterday I had to sit myself down and give myself a slap. I watched the last video that I uploaded to YouTube and it was absolutely shit. The colours were bad, the sound was bad, it just looked bad all over. And I've kind of got to the point where I've been fed up of trying to make better quality videos with regards to the colour and the sound. I used to use DaVinci Resolve, and although it's a really good program and it's got lots of functions and really customizable, I find it pretty hard to use and to get what I want quick. I can do it, but it takes forever, and it's something I don't really want to go down that avenue of spending hours and hours trying to perfect the video. I'd rather just concentrate on the photos. So that being said, I've moved over to Adobe Premiere. So this video is all edited in Adobe Premiere. Now I'd be really grateful if you could tell me your thoughts on, is it better than my previous videos with regards to the sound and the colour? I think it is. When I've watched it back a couple of times, it looks a bit better to me. So yeah, just let me know what you think. And one last thing is, I'm just going to be making a few changes to the channel over the next couple of weeks. As you know from my videos, I moan quite a lot, and I do cut quite a lot of the moaning out. Now I think just for me and just to be me, I'm going to include a lot more of the moaning. So if you like the moaning side of it, you'll enjoy it. If you don't, you may want to unsubscribe. But anyway, back to this week's video.
Morning. I'm at Middleton Lakes again this morning, but it's really quiet. I don't know why. I've got a sedge warbler behind me and a reed warbler in front of me, but I can't see either of them. Well, I can kind of see them between the grass, but no, I can't get a shot. But yeah, it's quiet. Not a lot about it at all. I've seen like little bits fly past me, but nothing kind of stationary. I've seen a woodpecker, kestrel. That's about it. But yeah, pretty quiet. Well, there's really not a lot going on at all today. I bought my other camera out to do this video properly rather than on my phone, which is what I'm doing, but it's not even worth getting it out. I've saw sedge warblers, and I think I've saw my first whitethroat of the year, which was nice because I like them. And I almost nailed one in flight. You know, like full screen, filled up the full screen of him in flight, but it's slightly out of focus. I don't know, I'll see if I can polish that turd and make it presentable, but I doubt it. Looking at it out the phone, it's a bit too far gone, I think, but I'll have a look. I'm just coming up to where the great crested grebes are, and I just wanted to pop up and see if the chicks have hatched yet. and then I'm just going to turn around and go back. But I'm going to go back a slightly different way today, down the side of the river, to see if there's anything on the side, because last year sometime, I don't know when it was, I was walking down there taking photos of something. Then another photographer passed me in the opposite direction. He says, "Oh, you must have got the right shot there." I went, "What do you mean?" He goes, "The bittern just flew right over your head." And I never saw it. So I know it's here, but I haven't managed to get a photo of it yet. So I might get lucky. So let's go and have a look at the grebes, see if any progress. Well, I did have some other plans for today actually. I wanted to go and take some photos of some bluebells because it's bluebell time, and I've been seeing photos on Facebook of people posting bluebells. So I asked this one guy where he took them, and he said this wood. So I had a look on the map where it was, tried to get to it, but I couldn't find it. Well, I could see like bunches of woods. But is it bunches? Well, you know what I mean. Loads of woods from the side of the road, but I couldn't see any access to them. So I might have to go back and ask him exactly how I get to them. But saying that, I thought, well, I'll come here, and I know there's bluebells here, and I've had a little walk through the bit of the woodland, but there's no nice compositions. It all looks too messy, so I haven't even took one. So I'm struggling a bit today because my bag's heavier than normal with extra lenses in. Yeah, I don't think you really need to know all that. Nah, it's still sitting on the eggs as far as I can see. I didn't even bother going in the hide because the lady I seen a lady walk in, and I seen her come straight back out within about 10 seconds. And I said to her, "I'm taking it, nothing's in there." Well, not in the hide, it'd be outside the hide, wouldn't it? But no, there was nothing there. Saw a linnet, took a couple of shots of that, and now I'm heading back. It's greying over, so I don't think I've got long left before it even starts to rain. So if there's any more, I'll leave them here. I've really got to pick up the pace now. It's started to rain. If I haven't said it already, thanks for watching. Until next time. Even though you probably turned off halfway through because it's been crap today.